Hello and welcome to my channel. Here, you will find anything you need to know about cryptocurrency. Let's jump into the subject for today. You will learn how to secure your Binance account. But first, why you should do it. In a traditional bank, if a hacker gain access to your bank account, the bank might block or verify that the transfer is legit. It might also reverse the transaction. But in cryptocurrency, when you do a transaction on the blockchain, nobody can reverse it. It's permanent. In the past years, many enterprises and websites were attacked and had a data breach. Many of those data are available on the dark web. There is a good chance that one of your accounts and password were leaked already. You could check on this website if your account is leaked on the dark web. Simply put your email and search to find in which data breach you were exposed. You will find this link in the description below. That lead to the first recommendation: use a unique password for Binance account. If you are using the same password for all your apps, it's easy to get it from a data breach and connect to your Binance account. Also, make sure your email has also a unique password. Then you should add extra security to your account. The first thing you should do is to add two-factor authentication to your account. Let's go on the Security tab to configure it. First, add a phone number to your account. To verify it, you will receive a number by SMS and you will need to confirm it. Then, you will receive a new number by SMS every time you tried to log in or tried to withdraw fund from your account. But this step alone is not enough. If a hacker knows your phone number, he might try an attack called SIM swap. Your phone number will be associated to a new SIM card that the hacker has. He will receive your SMS code. Therefore, you should also configure Google Authenticator. To configure it, download it on the Play Store or Apple Store. Then scan the QR code on the Binance page. You will have a 6-digit number on your phone that changes every 30 seconds. Confirm the current code to add this method. By doing this, you will have to enter the code from Google Authenticator and from the SMS when withdrawing. But when you log in, you will need to enter only one of those methods. This is why I strongly suggest you to add a security key. Why? Even if you cannot withdraw fund, the hacker could access your account and made transaction by gaining access to one of your two-factor authentication. There are no attack where hacker made you buy a worthless NFT with your fund. This is a way to avoid having all the two-factor authentication. This is why a security is needed. But if you do add it, you will not be able to log in into Binance apps for mobile and PC. You will need to use the web version. A security key is a physical device that you need to connect to your account. You will find the one I use in the description. I suggest you to buy two keys. If one of those keys is not accessible, you will still be able to log in with the spare one. To add a security key, plug the key into your computer. Then choose a PIN number for the security key. You will also need to push the bottom on your key to confirm. Add a name to your key and select action the key owner will be able to do. Once done, your security key will be the only two-factor authentication required to log in. But for withdraw, you will still need all your two-factor authentication method. Here are two extra steps you might want to do for extra security. First, enable withdrawal whitelist. When activate, crypto withdrawal will be authorized only to the address you whitelist. After adding a new address to the whitelist, you will need to wait 24 hours for this new address to be active. You will also be required to add all your authentication method to add a new address. Finally, add an anti-phishing code. When you will to it, you will receive a code on the upper part of each email from Binance. With this code, you will be sure that the email you received are from Binance. You don't want to mix some email with a similar from a scammer. Coincidences happen and you might receive a fake email from a hacker when doing a Binance transaction. That code will help you avoid some problem. The last recommendation is to keep your phone and your computer clean. Get a good antivirus software and do not install a software you don't trust. This is all for today. I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you would like a video on a specific subject, please ask for it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care.